Hello world, this is Mike with Backwards Machining. Been a little while, but I wanted to do an update, show you guys where I was at. Been a bit busy in life, but I am trying to make progress. So far, this is what I've gotten done. This is all mounted. This hunk of steel here is tack welded to this. This is fully welded now. The frame is all fully welded. I ran out of argon, so I couldn't fully weld this. But anyway, I mean, you can get the idea where I'm going with this anyway. Now, I'm going to weld this plate to the bottom frame when I know that everything here is 100% straight. I'm not going to bother tacking this in until I know that for sure. So I'm going to work on finishing welding this and then driving this spindle. What I'm guessing is I'm going to change this pulley out to something different, probably a little wider, a little more beefy, and I'll just mount the motor back here. I already showed you the 3 or whatever 4 horsepower motor. I think it'll work good. I have the junction box completed. I'll try to see if I can include some pictures at the end of the junction box for this. But I mean, for the most part, it's coming along pretty good. I just have to run the wires to the steppers, from the steppers to the box, and then bring my computer over and get everything programmed in. But getting ahead of myself, I still have this to do. This is going to be the overhead drill for drilling the holes. So I got a ways to go. My CNC router ran into a problem. Hang on, I'll show you. I completely redid this box. This was a steel junction box, but not everything fit. So I redid it out of wood, and I'm going to put a piece of plexiglass over the front of it with a hinge and a magnet to close it. I don't know what happened, but for some reason, I mean, again, this thing was working fine for probably a year. And then one day I plugged in the inverter, and it started making a high-pitch squeal. Not the inverter, something else. And I don't know what the heck was making the sound. I couldn't find it. So I ended up taking everything out, redoing it, and it works good now. Plus, I got all the stepper motors all tied in now, closed loop. So basically, everything's a servo motor now instead of a stepper. I mean, it's still a stepper, but because it's closed loop, it won't lose position. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys what was going on. It's been a while. I hope everybody's doing well. And I'll catch you later. Have a good one.